How to write human-like content with ChatGPT. So first go to ChatGPT, then tell him something specific that you want to write a content about. So let's say I'm going to write a content about finance. So this is just a random example. So I'll just type in, I want you to make a content about finance, but make sure that it is human like. Okay, now this is just a basic prompt. You can make this more specific if you want, and yeah, just press enter on your keyboard, and then ChatGPT will start preparing content about finance that is human like. Okay, this is the reply. Here's a human like take on finance. Then just read it, and if you're not satisfied, you can just edit some parts of it by using prompts, any other prompts. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.